Hi, welcome to the Pro Bloggers Tricks video blogging. Our today's topic is how Google AdSense detects and monitor invalid clicks activity on ads. So let's take a start. For getting more clicks to earn more from Google AdSense, sometimes we try to cheat it, and after sometimes majority of people get banned or termination of their account sooner or later. So according to the me and facts, it is so hard to cheat AdSense because it's much more efficient than you're thinking. So now the question comes up, how can they do that? To monitor invalid activity or valid activity on your ads, Google uses almost 12 basic ways. The first one is CTR. Yes, CTR means click-through rate. It is defined as a ratio of total number of clicks you got on ads and total number of page impressions you have received. AdSense also monitor your CTR. The CTR of any blog or website usually falls in range of 0.5 or to 10%. So increase in CTR is sign of unusual activity on ads, and it will be quickly comes in notice of Google, and it tags such clicks as invalid clicks. The second thing is which Google uses to track you is your physical location. Tracing anybody's location on internet is not any problem. Mainly for Google, they have advanced softwares and programs by which they can easily trace anybody's location. They keep noticing every single visitor and traffic data with clicks and history. So if you are thinking to clicks on your own ads by using different IPs from different locations, like from internet cafes, doesn't help you, and you can cause to increase a chance that your account will be flagged soon by authorities. IP addresses. Another major source of detection of invalid clicks is by checking of Internet Protocol IP address. Google always keep record of your IP address of your computer when you are logging to your account to update and check statistics of your site. So if AdSense ad receives click from the same IP address which you are also using to handle your account, then action will quickly be taken against you, either in the form of permanent ban or send warning mail to you. Now the fourth one is internet cookies. Whenever you use internet and log into your account, Google creates a cookie having information about your history, clicks and other stuff like that, and save it in your computer. Some people change their IP address or use such an internet connection that every time they connect or disconnect, their IP address changes automatically. But it doesn't matter, because Google uses these cookies which are saved in your computer to monitor and detect any type of your activity. The next one is click pattern. Click patterns are furthermore classified in three types. In first type of click pattern, if someone click on your ads, either you are anybody else and just run away, means follow the rule of hit and run and not spend time on advertisement after clicking, then this type of clicks are counted in suspicious clicking. Sometimes you got paid or sometimes they tag as invalid clicks. In type 2, when you hits your own ads, then surely you only hits your ones, but Google notice it. Why the person is only interested in clicking ads of only this site, why not on others one? And in the last type of click pattern, AdSense also detects click bombing or invalid clicks, as they notice that why she enters directly URL inbox or click on bookmark page to reach this website instead from search engine by using different keywords, and took interest in clicking ads. Now the next one method which use Google to detect your invalid clicks activity and your activity is the search engine ranking. Mostly people who took interest in hitting on their own ads usually have website with low traffic. So Google noticed it that while this website have low page rank and not indexed by search engines and not any other source of traffic like referral links, so how it got so many visits and clicks on ads by people who directly reach to it. And the seventh one and last one is web page design. Google AdSense strictly not allows you to place your or use any text or image near to your advertisement which direct or point out towards ads, either by showing arrows or any text like "We provide you free of cost tutorials, please give us a donation by clicking below links," etc. So now what do you think? Is it easy to cheat the world's #1 advertising agency? I'm sure that your answer will be no. And by the way, Google is so smart and uses fully professional team of super advanced boards and also manpower to monitor your website and your online activity to keep his business clean and to provide more facilities with more reliability to his publishers and advertisers. So in last, thanks for watching this video.